welcome back to my channel. Here's another episode of Gem Arts featuring the Princess Belle DIY. So let's start. All you need is just socks and the yellow ribbon. So the first thing you need to do is just fit it out to the doll available, also the back side. Then go ahead, sew it. Now after that, you have to cut a piece of the cloth of your socks, and all you need is just fold it out to the 4 squares. And then make it like an own shape like this. And then you have to cut the bottom rounded. So as you can see, it's already rounded and it's circle shape. Now just go ahead and cut out the top portion of it so it will create a hole at the center. Now just cut vertically one side of the skirt. And then all you need is just sew it. You have to sew it vertically. Now all you need is just connect the skirt and the top by simply sewing it roundly. Make sure that it is done on the wrong side. Now it fits the doll. As you can see, it's still tube tight. So what I need to do is just put the ribbon, and you have to crumple and join it together. I actually just used 2 pieces of ribbon. And I just go ahead and sew it at the center to connect the 2 ribbons. Just like this. I just go ahead and connect it to the top. And I'm gonna go ahead on the other side as well. And I just sew the back side of the top. Just go ahead and cut out the sides of the top, left and right. And now we're done. I hope you learned a lot from my video.